Hi, this is Involved Innovation. In this video, we will see how to connect the LED to the Raspberry Pi and program it using the Gpio 0 library. And also, we will connect multiple LEDs to various Gpio pins and we will make them blink in series. The materials required for this tutorial are Raspberry Pi 3R4 and 220 ohm resistor, breadboard, some LEDs, and connecting wires. First, for any circuit to protect components from damage, we need to use a resistor with correct resistance value. To find the correct resistance value, we need input volt and current. With these values, we can find the resistance value using Ohm's law. Here, the input voltage source is 3.3 volt and the current is 0.016 ampere. The Ohm's law is V is equal to IR. To find the resistance value, we can modify the formula as resistance equal to voltage divided by current. Substituting the values of volt and current gives us the resistance value 206.25, which can be approximated to 220 ohms. Regarding wiring, we need to connect the resistor to the positive terminal of the LED and connect it to the Gpio pin. Here, I am connecting to the Gpio pin 26. The long terminal in the LED is the positive or anode and the small terminal is negative or cathode. Connect the LED as seen in the wiring diagram. Connect the negative or cathode to the ground. Connect the Raspberry Pi to the laptop or the monitor or using VNC server. If you need help or you have trouble connecting Raspberry Pi to these devices, refer my video tutorial, the link of which I gave in the description. To enable the remote access to Gpio pins, open the terminal and enter the command sudo space raspi-config and select 5 interfacing options using the up and down arrow. In this window, select P8 remote Gpio and select yes. Open the inbuilt Thani Python IDE for Raspbian OS. This is pre-installed in the Raspbian. Select Programming and here select Thani Python IDE. Here in this video we are going to use Gpio 0 package. The Gpio 0 package is pre-installed in the Raspbian, so we can start coding in our Thani Python IDE. First we need to import LED from Gpio 0 import LED and create an instance of LED class. Pass the Gpio pin number to the LED constructor. Here we have connected LED to the Gpio pin 26, so pass the value 26 to the LED constructor. Use the on function to switch on the LED and save this file led.py. Now click run to run this led.py. Now we can able to see the red LED bulb glows. Now we will try to make this little bit more complex by making it indefinitely blink with while loop. We need to make light to turn on for 2 seconds, then turn off for 2 seconds, and we need to do this in a loop. We will import time package while true. This while loop will run indefinitely. Inside the while loop, turn off the bulb and then time.sleep for 2 seconds. This will make the main thread to sleep for 2 seconds and then turn on the LED light and time.sleep for 2 seconds. Now execute the code. We can see the bulb blinks for every 2 seconds. Now with this knowledge, we will make multiple bulbs to blink in series. This is very cool project. We use 5 different colored LED. Connect resistor to each LED's positive terminal. Here we are using the same 220 ohm resistor and connect this positive terminal to the different Gpio pins and connect the cathode to the ground. In the code, we need to initialize 5 instances of LED class by calling the LED constructor with the Gpio pin number. Here, I have connected orange to the GPIO pin 5. So I am passing 5 here. Red with the GPIO pin 19. Green with GPIO pin 26. Blue with GPIO pin 20. Yellow with GPIO pin 21. We will create a function or subroutine named on-off to on and off the bulb. This function takes two parameters. First one, the LED instance, and second, the time to wait for on or off. In Python, indentation is used to describe a block, so all the statements in the on-off function must be in same indentation. In the while loop, call the on-off function 5 times, passing each LED instance. Execute the code. Now the bulb blinks in series, that is orange, red, green, blue, yellow, and this continues in loop. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos on computer science and IoT, subscribe to this channel. Leave your queries in the comment section.